Good evening and welcome everyone to the new product kickoff meeting. First of all, I want to thank everyone for joining us today. While standing in front of you today, I feel very proud and optimistic about this new product. I think this new product can be a game changer for a company. So are you guys excited about this new product? Let's see how this new product is. But before we move forward, let's look at the agenda for today's meeting. In today's presentation, we will cover following things. We'll start with a quick summary about the company. Then we'll look at the mission and its purpose. Moving forward, we'll look at what is the idea behind this product, followed by a reveal of the product and its name. We'll also look how this new product will affect our current market share and how it will help grow our market share. We'll also look at how we're going to promote this product and what are the opportunities and challenges we'll face with the introduction of this new product. So let's look at the first item on our agenda, which is about the company. Jumper is an Indian multinational company started by Mr. John Jumper in 1980. Jumper specializes in the design, development, sales, and manufacturing of sports apparel and footwear. Jumper has headquarters in New Delhi, which is also a hub for majority of the sports equipment manufacturers in India. Jumper is also one of the biggest sports manufacturer company of the Indian origin. The next item on our agenda is mission and purpose. The mission of Jumper is to bring technology and innovation to every athlete in the world. And by athlete, I mean every human being who can breathe. The introduction of a new line of product will help achieve our goal of bringing the technology and innovation together. The next item we have is idea behind this product. So what do you guys think is the idea behind this product? If you look at all the active trackers out there in the market, they're mostly wrist-based trackers. So data that you get is not 100% accurate. This new product will be 100% accurate as a tracker is in the shoe. It will make calculated and well-monitored workouts. This new tracker will charge on its own while you're running or walking. This will avoid the need of replacing any batteries on daily or weekly basis. I think this product will at least remove one device that needs to be charged every day. The next item we have is the product name. For this new product, we are creating a new line of brand, and this new shoe will be marketing under the brand name of Gunner. All the shoes in the Gunner line will come equipped with a digital tracking device. I know you guys are excited to look at the product, so here's the design of the product. So this product, which is called Gunner, has a sensor placed under the sole and comes with the portable digital indicator. The indicator keeps track of the distance covered and the speed at which you run. It is like any normal shoe. From the outside, you cannot tell the shoe has a tracker built in it. It will be comfortable as any four existing athletic shoes in the market. The concept is the sole will contain the tracker and the shoe can be designed around it. We're also planning to launch a sole fitted with a digital tracker that can convert any regular shoe into a digital tracking shoe. So if you have your existing shoe, all you need to do is buy our sole and replace it with the existing one, and it will convert into a digital tracking shoe. The next item we have is market share. We'll look at how this new product will affect our current share in India. Currently, our market share in India is 27%, while Nike holds the maximum share with 35%, followed by Adidas and Reebok at 23% and 15% respectively. I think this product will allow us to increase our market share. We are projecting a 3 to 5% in the market share in the first year of the launch. The initial launch would be in India, and the next phase of the launch would be in the rest of the Asia. Well, if we get a good response from India and the Asia, we are also planning to launch this product in the rest of the world. The next item we have is promotion. We want to start by promoting this new product in big cities like New Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata. We are also targeting local events like marathons and other sports events, either national or local. We are thinking of tying up with famous celebrities to give a boost to our promotion. This product is mainly for the age group of 15 to 60, whether it's male or female. The next item that we have in the agenda is opportunity. This product is first of its kind. While there are other technologies that gives you a tracker to tie to your shoe, but this will be the first of its kind with a tracker that's fitted inside the shoe. There will be no need of additional trackers. This innovation is a result of changing needs of the consumer. And the last item on the agenda is threats. Well, every new product brings opportunities to also bring threats. And one of the threats we could face if the new product is successful is the flooding by the Chinese manufacturers with the cheap products. And Chinese manufacturers have a history of ignoring anti-patent laws. And there's also a possibility in case if the product is not successful, the change in the consumer preference, there's a possibility of another product being better than our product. In the end, I just want to say that I have very hopes from this product, and I think this can be a game changer for us. And I want to thank everyone who came here to listen to this presentation. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.